This life no balance.
My sisters, especially you
Okay.
who gave birth,
What?
you sisters who are breastfeeding, how can you breastfeed that baby? How can you breastfeed a baby for 2 years? Imagine 2 years breastfeeding that one baby. No, it is too much. And when it is time for us to go for the adult game, you don't even want me to touch on your breasts. You don't want me to link your breasts. You're telling me, "Lick my breasts. My breasts are for my baby." Hey, don't you see that that is human right abuse?
70 years old man.
Did you get married to the baby? Jesus! Leave my breast. My breasts are for my baby. Hey, that is human right abuse.
Will you people stay and keep quiet?
Imagine breastfeeding the baby for 2 years. The baby is sucking your milk. We don't want the milk. No. You may think that we want to take your baby's milk. We don't want the milk. We don't want the milk. Don't. Women. 2 years. 2 years. Imagine 2 years. And when it is time for me to touch on your breast, you don't even want to.
You can be prosecuted for
That is
that.
human right abuse. Please. I'm even out of words.
Oh,
no. Abuse. Please, I'm not going to take your baby's milk. I don't want your milk. I don't want your baby's milk. Okay, let me ask you. Did you get married to that baby? I'm the father of that baby. So allow me to touch it.
They have left you
I'm not
behind.
even allowed to say that my breasts, because they are not on me.
Child.
No. That is human right abuse.
Run, no. Shut up! You cannot hear that rubbish from your mouth again.